Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to edit emails with AI Mail Assistant in IONOS, a webmail. The first thing I want you to do is just come to the top left, click on New Email, and what you actually need to do is click on this icon right here that lets you use AI. So first, it'll actually ask you to give your consent if you're doing this the first time. Agree right here, click on Save, and now you can choose how you want to generate content. So you can choose this drop down and select from any of these options. What I'll do, I'll choose the transform option, which is rephrase. Okay. And let's have our input right here. So let's say, for example, we'll do, I am writing to inform you that I will have to reschedule our meeting for a later date. And then let's generate something with AI and let's see the generated results. So this is what they are generating for us, something, rephrase. Of course, you can do any of these other options, like write about this, okay? So you can use that as the content, and once you're happy with it, then you can go ahead and send that email to whoever you want. And that is how to edit emails with AI Mail Assistant in IONOS Webmail.